plus 3 equals 2 to the 5th, not 3.
78?
That's 875.
Oh, what are you talking about?
You did that.
We did in class.
Yeah.
Oh, I already did that.
Yes, that's fine, but I'm going over this for all the kids that did not. Okay. I'm recording, so that this is 875. 876 is much like that. Okay. And I'll do number 20 here. So at least for number 20, what would you do?
Okay, I was yawning. Okay.
This is a to the third, a plus a to the first, right?
Wait, you said number 20 or 18?
20, but I'll do this for kids who a to the fourth and b to the 6th, right? Right? Did I do it right?
Yeah, I think so.
Because sometimes I make a lot of mistakes. Okay, number 20.
You add the m, so it's
M to the first,
m to the first plus 6.
M to the 6th, N to the,
M equals, n to the third plus n to the 7th.
okay, plus N to the 7th. And then you do 3 times 8, correct?
Yes.
And to do the 3 times 8, which is 24, M to the 7th, N to the 10th. Okay? Got it? These are the hard ones here, but that's 77. And then this is the other one, very much like that. You don't have any question, do you, on these? Okay, that should be fast. Because really there's only 13 problems like that. There's 26, half of 26, because you're doing even only, there's 13 problems. That should be fast. Okay, girls, we're doing tonight's. Okay, tonight starts on page, you need to do both, right? For the kids at home. This one also, you do the even. All you're doing is distributing the exponents, right, girls? Diana?
Yes.
You're just distributing the exponent, correct?
Wait, what page are you on?
78.
Oh, yeah, 78.
78, right? Are you on 78?
Yeah.
878. You're multiplying the exponent. You're distributing. Anytime you see a parentheses, you're going to distribute. And only distribute exponent to exponent, whole number to whole number. Because the exponent is on the outside, you're distributing to the inside, to the other exponent. So you get 4 to the 15th, right?
Yes. So you times 5 and
5 and 3, yes. And then multiply these together. You get 3 to the 6.
Oh, this is easy.
Yeah, it looks a lot, but it's not. What's the invisible number outside the parentheses? That's the important one here on number 32. 1, right? This is 1 times. This number you leave alone because it's outside. You only distribute to the inside. You understand?
So it would be negative 6 to the 10th?
It'll be negative 6 to the 10th power, yes.
Yes, I got it right.
Any question? How about the next one?
Oh, 36. Wait, are we only doing even?
Yes, we're only doing even. That's why I'm keeping to even. Hi, Isaac.
Hey, Mom.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, because of the rain, and the field was too wet. I'm out of banner right now.
Okay, I'll be done in a minute and go pick you in 15. All right?
Okay, but Mom.
Yeah.
Luke wondered if I could go to his house today.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Do I have homework? I might have a very little issue, but no, I don't have too much homework. I hardly have any.
Okay.
Okay. He said he'd make sure I did my homework.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's carrying your backpack?
Who's carrying my backpack? Me.
Yeah. It's heavy. What do you have in there? You don't have your biology, do you?
Not the most pleasant thing ever, but it's probably one of the worst things that I've ever done to myself.
Okay, I don't want you carrying that backpack. I'll take you and Luke over to his house. Is that okay with Luke?
What? Wait,
I'll
what?
take you, I will take you and Luke over to his house. Is that okay with Luke?
His dad, I think, is your dad, right? His dad's coming right now, so I think it'd be.
Okay, Lee,
Coming, yeah.
text his dad's number to me.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and I'll pick you up at after open house.
Okay.
It's probably about 7 or 8. Okay? Yeah. Give his dad my number and stuff.
Okay.
I need to get, and then you need to text me as soon as you get there, their address and phone number. All right?
Okay. I'll text you. I'll text you his phone number.
All right, sounds good.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Okay, that's m to the a times a -1, right? So that's a -m, right, to the a? Any question?
No, that's easy. That's
All
pretty
these are easy?
Okay.
Yeah.
40,
See
you
how-
have to multiply by all of them?
Yeah, but even the 2 gets a 1 also, right?
What?
Exponent of 1. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See how everything
Yeah,
is-
got it.
Okay, I'll give you an example. If you have a problem like this, 4 parentheses 2a second to the 4th, you only distribute this parentheses to the inside only, and this one does not get 1. Do you understand? So when you're distributing exponents, you're distributing to inside the parentheses only. You understand? When you're multiplying exponent, you're only multiplying inside the parentheses. At any time they give you a number outside, you don't give this 4 to this number out here. You understand that, Diana? Girls,
How
you
do get
understand
the
that?
4?
No, I'm just giving you a problem.
Oh.
If it should ever happen.
So it would be 5 times 3 times
Which-
2, and then.
But the 4, you leave it like that because it doesn't.
No, don't. I was just giving you an example. If there was a 4 out here, you would leave it like that. It doesn't get the exponent.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? Okay, because it's outside the parentheses. You only distribute inside, and there's other situation. Okay, so that's b to the 15th, right?
Yes.
That's a to the 10th, and 2 to the
Fifth.
5th. And that's your answer. See why I gave a whole lot? There isn't much,
Yeah.
huh?
Okay, that's easy.
Okay, so 5 gets an exponent of 1, right? That -5.
Yeah.
Yeah, distribute. Z to the 10, y to the 15,
And -5 to the 5th.
-5 to the 5th
Got it.
in a parentheses. That makes it a -5. That's very important. 44. Any question? No? Go next page. Any question on the next page? Do we- 46. Let's look. Girls, go to the next page, please. I want. Okay. Do you want to write a 4 8 times?
No.
No, and then 4 5 times, and then cross them out.
No.
No, what are you doing?
doing?
Okay, 4 to the 8th minus 4 to the 5th, right? So our answer is 4 to the 3rd, right?
Yeah.
5 to the 9th
Minus 5 to the 6th.
minus 5 to the 3rd, which is
5 to the 6th.
5 to the 6th.
This is easy.
Isn't it?
Yeah, this is really easy.
Yeah, here it is. This is 6. Well, I'm going to skip all this. You can do on your own, right?
Yeah.
Let's do, how about 60? Go to 60 for a minute. 60 here is, what's the invisible number next to that negative?
1.
1, right?
Yeah.
Or 60.
On page, what is that?
This is
881, yes. Hey, oh my gosh.
I'll
What?
come around some other time and catch up.
Yeah, well, I see you at GAR
Alright,
when you're there for your sister. Okay, so you get -1 h to the 14th. My goal, guys, is to get you good. So our math gets pencil off. Right now, our math It's a little bit behind. On the S back, I'm gonna get my goal is to always get my kids as high as possible. H to the 6, right?
So you're minus 14 and 6, right?
Yeah, because we don't want to write it out and cross it out.
So it's negative H.
Negative H 14 minus 6. You understand what that negative means, though?
Yes.
It represents.
Makes the H negative.
No, it means it's a negative 1 times whatever that answer will be.
That's right. It makes
So that's
it,
why no matter it is.
the
Yes.
answer negative.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got negative H to the 8th power. And if I
Yeah.
work hard enough, hopefully that will happen.
What about 62?
62.
What was the answer? Negative H.
Okay, you can't cross out the 24 and 4, can you? No. Can you reduce that though?
Yes. Yeah.
Y to the 8th, and we can cross out all the Y's, huh? Can you imagine if 8 of them and then 4 of them?
Just
So
minus,
we just minus it, right? So that gives you, but this can be simplified to what?
6.
6. Y to the 4th.
Yeah.
Got it? Easy, right?
Yeah.
How about number 64? Which one can you cross out just by looking at it?
M.
The M's, right? You can't cross out the 2 and the 10, can you? But you can reduce that to what?
5.
5. But the M you can cross out. You cross out 7 of them, right?
Yeah. So M is ones, but you don't. You just use an exponent and N to the 3rd.
So 5M to the 1. You don't need an exponent because it's a 1 to the 3rd. Got it?
Thank you. I need to go.
And then the next page. Is there any question on the next page? No, huh? They're all easy?
You just multiply the numbers times.
Oh, the last page. Girls, hold on. The last page. I need to go over this last page. Just this last page.
What number is it?
74.
Okay.
The last page, page 8-3. These 10. Look at 76.
Oh Lord.
Yeah,
Can you
that's
both of them with us?
okay. Let's 74. You first this one. What will you
What
get?
number?
You get
5.
Negative 5, right?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. And then A, you would cross them out, right?
Yeah.
A, so you do A to the 5th minus 2, right? How about B? Will you cross them out? Yeah, because they're the same. B to the 7th, you cross out 6 of them, right? So you minus 6. So you get